Today we will learn about Google Hangout video option, video settings. How we can utilize this video option for our purpose. Join Hangouts. Okay, here you can see you are the first one. Join Hangouts. You can invite multiple people. You can mute the video, camera or audio or mute. You can send message to the all guests available who are online or attending this event, this meeting. You can see all the chat history. You can invite to a number of people, or you can copy a link and send them. There are many other options too. Link copied, and here you can see the video settings. Camera is muted, default highway, additional diagnostics, bandwidth. You can change the quality, outgoing video and incoming video. So you can see a lot of options there. Here are some other options which we will discuss in the next video. Okay, you can utilize this feature for business meeting, business conferencing and many other things. Thanks for watching. Take care and subscribe.